In today's video, I'm going to teach you to turn off autopay on Affirm. If you prefer managing your payments manually or you just want more control over when money leaves your account, this walkthrough will make the process straightforward and stress-free. First, sign into your Affirm account. You can do this on the mobile app or by visiting the website in a browser. Use the method you're most comfortable with. Once you're in, remember that turning off autopay doesn't pause or cancel your loan. It only stops automatic withdrawals. You'll still be responsible for making payments on time. Next, head to the loans section. This is where all your active and past loans are listed. If you have multiple loans, take a second to confirm you're looking at the right one by checking the merchant name, the amount, or the due date. It helps to avoid changing settings on the wrong loan by mistake. Then, open the specific loan you want to manage. Inside that loan's details, you'll see your payment schedule, the remaining balance, and various settings. Look for the autopay option. It may appear as autopay, automatic payments, or a similar label. Tap or click into that setting. After that, toggle autopay off. When you do, you may be asked to confirm the change. Go ahead and confirm if prompted. Once it's off, you should see the status update right away. This means Affirm will no longer automatically withdraw funds for that particular loan. If you have more than one loan, repeat these same steps for each loan you want to manage. Autopay is controlled on a per loan basis. Make sure you complete this change at least 24 hours before your next due date to avoid being charged automatically. If you're within that 24-hour window, the upcoming payment may still process on autopay and the change will apply to future payments instead. And that's it. Autopay is now turned off for your Affirm loan. From here, plan to make manual payments on or before each due date to avoid late fees or interest impacts. A helpful tip is to set calendar reminders for a few days before your due date, or make manual payments early if you prefer to stay ahead. You can always return to the same place later to turn autopay back on if your needs change. Thanks for watching. With just a few quick taps, you now have full control over how and when your Affirm payments are made.